What's tea? It's V. Should I say that?
Oh, hell no!
Why am I struggling to get this braid off? I mean, they better see on my head like this. No, for real though. Hey guys. Ew. What's up, y'all? I mean, whatever. You probably wondering like why I look like this, and I promise there's a method to my madness. I braided my hair and washed my hair so I can put in some crochet braids. I wanted the jumbo style look. Well, unfortunately in the store these were as jumbo as I can get, and they're honestly not even that jumbo. But we gonna work with this. The color is T1B/30. This should be a really quick video. There's a million videos on how to crochet, but I just thought I'd show you guys my way. You take your needle. I'm sure you all know by now. You put the needle underneath the braid and you put the weave in the loop. Don't mess up like I did. And you're gonna put the end. You don't have to do this part, but if it helps, you can pull it through the loop that way. One down, like 100 more to go. Nah, hopefully not 100. But you know what I mean. I'm just showing one more time how I put my crochet in. You stick the needle underneath, loop it, pull it through. That sounds a lot easier than what I just did. Okay, for the 20 inches. Fast forward, and I just wanted to show you how it looked halfway. The back is complete, and all I have left is the front. I'll probably be cutting it into the short bob that I originally wanted sooner rather than later. But I'll go ahead and do all of this so we can see what the final look looks like. All right, so this is the final look. What brand was this? Silky Big Box Braid by Motown Tress. All right, this is the final look after I did all of this. I was feeling a little bit I do like the color and I like the size of the braid. This is with it kind of like a messy half up, half down. I'm not really feeling like the end situation, but I guess for like a week or so I could wear it for the length just because I bought it for the length. Overall, I am pretty satisfied with it. I would do it again. Some people, again, may not like the front. I didn't do my edges, so it does look a little crazy. And I didn't put the braids all the way to the edge, so I look even more crazy. Overall, I really do like it. I like the color. I'm excited to see how the bob's gonna look, so I might just do a video on that. Should I? I don't know. We'll see. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if anyone wants to subscribe, you hit the subscribe button. Y'all know where it's at. I don't really think I'm gonna ask y'all every video if you want to subscribe, because if you want to subscribe, subscribe. Okay? Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.